How to cancel Amazon order. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to cancel Amazon order. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Amazon.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Amazon. Make sure you are signed in, and now, in order to return your order, tap on the Returns and Order option you see on top of your screen. On the Your Orders page, find the order you want to cancel. Tap on the option to the right of the item that says Cancel Items. On the next page, you may be told that your cancellation is not guaranteed, but there's still no harm in trying. Tap on the drop-down that says Select Cancellation Reason and select the reason for canceling your order, and further tap on the Cancel Selected Items in this order option. From there, you will be sent to a confirmation screen and an email will be sent to you detailing your cancellation request. You will also receive another email when it's determined whether or not your order could be successfully cancelled. So, this is how you can cancel Amazon order. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.